Okay, MasterMaths Sec 2 Quadratic Functions. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Alamak, cannot see everything. Okay, hold on. I need to make my distance smaller a bit. Ayo, why crop like that? Don't crop lah. Okay, this is better. Hopefully now you can see. Okay, the game pin is 3418700. G3 is express. Okay, thank you, Dila. Why do you have to change the names? Okay, guys, so solve the equation x square minus 12x plus 54 equals to 19. Wow, so many people give answers already. You all got do properly or not? Or this one just anyhow whack only? Easy shampoo says easy lah. Wow, I take so much time and effort to come up with tough questions and you all tell me the questions are easy. Okay lah. So how many people got it correct? Only 7 people got it correct. What is the password? The game pin is 3418700. Okay, 3418700. Game pin. Okay guys, let's go on to the next question. So who's in the lead? We have Charming Cheetah at the top of the pack, followed by Groovy Rabbit and Brave Bee. Those who have just joined my live, can you try and join the Kahoot? Okay, so you have to, if you want to join, you have to go to kahoot.it. You have to go to kahoot.it and key in the game pin. Kahoot.it, key in the game pin. The game pin is 3418700. I'm not sure. Can you join a Kahoot when it's like when we started? Okay, so here's the solution, guys. So previously I lost a lot of viewers when I toggled between Kahoot and Notability. So now I've decided, okay, here's the solution. I'm going to just do it beforehand and then share it with you all here. Okay guys, so as we can see over here, you have x square minus 12x plus 54 minus 19 equals to 0. So the 19 you bring over become minus 19. So you are left with x square minus 12x plus 35 equals to 0. So basically your right hand side has to be equals to 0 lah for quadratic functions guys. And then we use this thing called the cross method. So the cross method, this is your first term, this is your third term. You break it down into its factors. So x square you break it down into x and x. 35 you break it down into 7 and 5. But not only 7 and 5, you make it minus 7 minus 5. Minus 7 minus 5. Why? Because you want to get minus 12x, you want to get negative 12x. Okay? Teach y-intercept and x-intercept. Wait lah, later lah, that one will come later. Okay, so basically, the roots of your equation or the solution of your equation, which in this case will be x equals to 7 or x equals to 5, this is your roots or your what you call your x-intercept. Your x-intercept where it cuts the x-axis. So when x is equals to 7 and x equals to 5, the y is equals to 0. Okay, so we are more interested in the x-intercept rather than the y-intercept lah when we are dealing with quadratic functions. But of course, when you get to sec 3 guys, then you got to sketch the quadratic curve. Then your y-intercept is also important. But today I'm doing sec 2. I'm doing sec 2. So sec 2, what we need you all to understand is how to solve, and then also if let's say I give you the solution, then can you find the coefficients inside the quadratic? Okay, to answer the last question, why never use formula? You can use formula, but at Sec 2 we don't teach the formula yet. At Sec 2 we teach you all how to factorize. Because once I teach you the formula, wow, everybody happy like bird, use the formula. Cannot, must use a bit of your brain power to do the cross method. Maths, you see, what's the purpose for maths? People always ask, why must do maths? When am I going to use quadratic function when I go out into the working world? You all don't understand. All this is to work your brain, so that when your brain is being made to work hard, it will grow strong and powerful. Then when you grow up, right, you can become like, the Prime Minister of Singapore, or you can become the Chief of Defense, or some other high post lah. All these people they also don't use the maths that we are using now in their everyday lives, but they have to think of very serious problems, you see. Okay, anyway, sorry for my little commentary there lah. I hope you all understand why it's important to study maths and be good in maths. Okay, question 2, guys. Question 2. The x-intercepts of the quadratic equation y equals to minus 2x squared plus px plus q are 3.5 and 5. What are the values of p and q? Guys, please, you got 3 minutes. Don't just whack. Think carefully, okay? So now I give you the x-intercepts. Okay, 3.5 and 5. Go and find your value of P and Q. Okay, go and find your value of P and Q. Okay, so far I got 4 answers already. 4 answers, yeah. Okay. Guys, help me to like and share the live, please. And then follow MasterMaths. Follow MasterMaths. Hey, we recently interviewed Prime Minister Lawrence Wong. You all got see that video, no? Our founder, Coach Irfan. I'm only left with 3 more months of school. Intern, then graduate already. Wow, big girl already. Ready to enter the working force. 3 more months of school. What school are you at? See, my English starting to get from bad to worse. Which school are you at? Not what school are you at. Which school do you go to? ITE Central. ITE Central is the one at Ang Mo Kio, right? Yeah, when I drive past, I always see the students there. They are chit-chatting outside the ITE lah. Let's just put it like that lah. They are chit-chatting outside the ITE. When I drive past, because sometimes I live in Sengkang. Then sometimes I go to Ang Mo Kio. Hey, Opera Estate Primary. High five, brother. I also Opera Estate, but I Opera Estate from 1991 to 1996. I was also from Opera Estate Primary School. I was in Dido House. Okay, so question number 2, answer is P equals to 17, Q equals to negative 35. Q equals to 17, P equals to 17, Q equals to negative 35. So the answer is green. Green. Why is the answer green? Okay, let's move on. And okay, let's first see who's at the top. Brave B. The bee is very brave. I like to, speaking of bees, do you all eat honey? You all have to eat honey. Honey makes your brain powerful. So it's a very nutritious, what do you call this, food to eat. Okay guys, so please excuse the black line in the middle. Just ignore lah. Okay, so what happens here? Okay, let's run through the solution guys. So we have y equals to minus 2x squared plus px plus q, right? So when x equals to 3.5, your y is equals to 0. Why? Because the solutions of the equation are 3.5 and 5. So when we say the solutions of the equation are 3.5 and 5, then that means when x equals to 3.5, y equals to 0. I need to eat honey for my accounting modules. Yeah, honey is good. It's a very good superfood. Okay, so you substitute in x equals to 3.5 and y equals to 0, and then you will get 3.5p plus q equals to 24.5, and then you substitute in x equals to 5 and y equals to 0, and then you will get 5p plus q equals to 50. And then what is this? This is simultaneous equation. You are primary 5, yes, I know. Liam underscore pay no 456. Global Design Solutions. Hello, sir. Hello to you. Who are you, Global Design Solutions? Are you joining my Kahoot? Okay, so you solve the simultaneous equation, you will get P equals to 17, Q equals to negative 35, guys. So this is the solution. By the way, guys, all these solutions will be posted inside the Telegram channel, which is what you see at the bottom of your screen there. MasterMaths Secondary. Liam, you are primary 5. I think, never mind lah, you better don't join the Kahoot. Later, I don't know whether you can solve or not. Okay, sorry. I don't mean to sound demeaning. Okay, guys, it is given that x equals to 4 is a solution of the equation 2x squared plus kx plus 4 equals to 0, where k is a constant. Find the value of k. Hence, find the other solution of the equation. So not only must you find k, you must also find the other solution of the equation. Okay, quite tough this question. Take it slow, guys. We're going very fast, guys. It's only 6:17. I don't know how to fill up the rest of my time like this. I should have come up with more questions. I need 7 questions for today. Okay, if you want to join the Kahoot, the game pin is 3418700. I don't know whether you can still join now. I honestly do not know. You can try. The game pin is 3418700. Okay. So for red, it will be k equals to 9, x equals to half. For blue, k equals to negative 9, x equals to half. For orange, it will be k equals to half, x equals to negative 9. And for green, it will be k equals to negative half, x equals to 9. Let's see. Let's see if you all are able to solve this. Alamak, why are my viewers down to 16 only? How many participants do I have left? I think most of the participants left already. I already have 7 answers. Why? Maybe most of them left. Maybe this is too tough. This is for Sec 2, guys. For Sec 2. For Sec 2. Okay, we have 20 seconds left. Hi Karin. Hi everybody. Please like and share the live. Just now I had 40 plus people. Now I'm down to 17 people. So sad. And I'm only 20 minutes into my life. Okay, so the answer is k equals to negative 9, x equals to half. Okay, k equals to negative 9, x equals to half. Let's see who's at the top now. Oh, Brave B is still on top with a total score of 2,706. Our friend Charming Cheetah is now all the way at the bottom, 993. Maybe he left already lah. So number 2 is Fearless Cheetah, 2,661. Okay, let's see how to solve this. Okay guys, so basically when you have an equation like this, 2x squared plus kx plus 4 equals to 0. And then they tell you that one of the solutions is x equals to 4. So for a quadratic, guys, remember, there will usually be 2 solutions. There will usually be 2 solutions. So when x equals to 4, when x equals to 4, that is one solution. That is one solution. So you have 2x square, right? So instead of putting x, you take out the x, you put in a 4. Bracket 4 square here. Okay, can see? 2 bracket 4 square plus 4k plus 4 equals to 0. Why 4k? Because also instead of kx, now we're going to put in 4. So kx becomes 4k lah. Okay, so with that, 4 square is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And then you have 32 plus 4. So 32 plus 4 equals to minus 4k. 32 plus 4 equals to minus 4k, which means that your k will be equals to negative 9. Negative 9. 36 divided by negative 4. Okay, so 36 divided by negative 4 will give me negative 9. Now, is that the end of the story? No. We need to go and find the value of x. Okay, so to find the value of x, now we go and do our usual factorization, which employs the cross method. You have to use the cross method when you want to factorize a quadratic function. Okay, so now you know that your k is negative 9, so you know that at the bottom here you need to get negative 9x. You need to get negative 9x. So with that, we get 2x minus 1, x minus 4 equals to 0. And from there we know that x equals to half and x equals to 4. Now, what are we interested in? We are interested in the x equals to half. We are interested in the x equals to half. Okay? So, answer will be k equals to negative 9, x equals to half. Again, all these solutions will be uploaded into the Telegram lah. All these solutions will be uploaded into my Telegram. Okay, let's go next to the next question. Okay, question number 4. Also a quiz. 4 questions. Please select the correct one. Solve the equation 2x squared plus 25x plus 72 equals to 0. 2x squared plus 25x plus 72 equals to 0. Is it x equals to 4.5 or x equals to 8? Is it x equals to negative 4.5 or x equals to 8? Be careful lah, is it x equals to 4.5, x equals to negative 8? So be careful of the negative sign. There's a negative sign, guys. Then x equals to negative 4.5 or x equals to negative 8. Guys, please like and share my live, guys. Like and share my live. I only have 12 people now joining. So sad. I don't know how many participants I have left. Okay guys, 120 seconds left, 2 minutes left to solve. I guess some of y'all might be busy with your Raya visiting. After this also, I'm going to visit some old folks for Hari Raya. So work hard now lah. Afterwards, then I can whack all the lontong lah, rendang lah. Quite hungry sitting alone in this Farrer Park branch of MasterMaths. Maybe the low numbers because many of y'all first weekend of Raya, right? So I guess most people would be out visiting their relatives. Who got time to sit down and listen to my live stream, right? Okay, 50 seconds left. Hey, Koyum! Hello, brother. I think I should do primary school live stream lah. Since so many of my fans are from primary school, I think I should tell them, hey, let me do primary school live stream lah. Sec 2 live stream not for me lah. Who want to join my Sec 2 live stream? Nobody. Koyum, are you at home or are you out and about with your family? Koyum, if you've got any cousins who are in Sec 2, tell them to join my live. But unfortunately, I don't think they can join the Kahoot now. Okay guys, time is running out for question number 4. Let's see how many of you all got it correct. Oh, 3 people got it right. The rest you all got it wrong. And at first place is still Brave B with a total score of 3,662. Let's see the solution. So this one very easy lah. This one is just about factorizing the quadratic. Okay guys, so again observe carefully where to put the first term, where to put the third term. So the first term is 2x squared, the third term is 72. Okay, so the 2x squared we can break it into 2x and x. The 72 you can break it to 9 and 8. Usually as a rule of thumb, we try to break the factors, we try to get factors that are close to each other. So 72, you don't go and put like 24 times 3, no. You don't put 72 times 1. You put two numbers that are close to each other, like 9 and 8. You start with that lah, you start with that. If cannot, of course, you got to go back to the drawing board and try again. So this is factorization, which I've gone through in my last live stream with you all, if you all remember lah. Factorization of quadratic. So with that, we have 2x plus 9 times x plus 8 equals to 0, which means that 2x plus 9 equals to 0, or x plus 8 equals to 0. So we get an answer of x equals to negative 4.5, or x equals to negative 8. Let's move on. Let's move on. So we've got 5, 6 and 7. We've got 3 more questions, guys. 3 more questions till the end of the live. Okay, question number 5. Can you all see the question? Yes. So the curve y equals to 2x squared plus ax plus b cuts the x-axis at negative 3, 0 and 2, 0. What are the values of a and b? So is it a and b equals to 0? Is it a equals to negative 2, b equals to 12? Is it a equals to negative 12, b equals to 2? Or is it a equals to 2, b equals to negative 12? Choose wisely, guys. Choose wisely. I think I'll switch off the aircon. So cold inside here. Guys, I'll be back. Let me switch off the aircon. Do you teach Sec 4 A Math? Yes, I do. We do teach Sec 4 A Math. If you are looking for a Sec 4 A Maths tutor, you can call in to any of our centers lah. Go and drop us a text. We can give you a free trial. Okay? Yeah. One of my least favorite subjects to teach A Maths. A Maths is very challenging. So for those of you all who are taking A Maths, or those of you all in Sec 2 planning to go Sec 3, yeah, think long and hard whether you want to take A Maths or not. Because it's the kind of subject where, I mean, it's good for you to take A Maths in terms of preparing for the future, because some of these courses you will find that they require you to have A Maths. Yeah, POA also not easy. That's true. That's true. I have a cousin who didn't want to take POA, so she took A Maths. Yeah, but I don't know. I never took POA, so I can't really compare between the two. Trust me, finally accounting student. Yeah, so I guess there are pros and cons to taking either. Okay guys, we're down to 20 seconds for this question. Macaroni, welcome to the live. The loading so slow. Yeah, sorry. I don't know why it's like that. Are you, Karen, are you trying to join the Kahoot? We're at question 5 already. So I'm not sure what happens if you join midway. Okay, so the answer is A equals to 2, B equals to negative 12. Okay, let's see who's at the top now. Oh wow, Fearless Cheetah has the highest answer streak of 5. And is now top of the pile with 4,553 points. Well done, Fearless Cheetah. Okay guys, so this is the solution here. The solution is y equals to 2x squared plus ax plus b. 2x squared plus ax plus b. And then, you see, because they say it cuts the x-axis at 2 points, right? So it cuts the x-axis at 2 points. What are the 2 points? Negative 3 and 0 and 2 and 0. Negative 3 and 0 and 2 and 0. So what happens is we are going to substitute in these values inside the equation. Same like just now we did that question. Remember there was one question we did, then we have to solve the simultaneous equation. Same thing. Same thing. Okay? So we get 5a equals to 10, a equals to 2, and then because a is equals to 2, your b will be equals to negative 12. Anybody cannot understand the solution? Maybe I can zoom in to any part of the solution to help you all to understand. But if you can understand the solution, then we can move on. Anyway, the solutions will be shared in the Telegram, or you can just screenshot this thing over here. You can just screenshot this thing over here lah, along with the questions that we gave just now. Okay guys, let's move on. Okay, this one you got to type the answer, guys. Got to type the answer. Double points. Let's see if we have a new leader after this question. Now, a quadratic curve has a line of symmetry of x equals to 10. If one of its roots is equal to 6, what is its other root? Let's see. Guys, type your answer, so there's no MCQ for this. There's no MCQ for this. This one you got to type in your answer. If your answer is correct, you will get the score. If your answer is wrong, unfortunately, you will not get any score. Guys, any other questions you have for me? Those who are joining the live, maybe apart from the Kahoot, you all have any questions related to maths? Maybe later on when I got some free time, at the end of this Kahoot, I can go through some of the questions with you all. Okay, if you all got questions if you got no questions, then never mind lah. I will just log off and then go do my Hari Raya visiting. If you all got questions, can ask, especially those in Sec 2 lah. Those in Sec 2, if you have any questions to ask, please ask. Okay, we have had a total of 5 answers. Who are these people who are answering, I wonder? Okay, so you know that for a quadratic curve, it is usually a U-shaped curve. So it will be symmetrical about a vertical line. So the vertical line here is x equals to 10. So if one of the roots is equals to 6, what is the other root? Let's see if you all can answer. When is Coach Hakim going live? I'm not sure, Adila. I think, is it tomorrow? I don't know honestly. Okay. The answer is 14. The answer is 14. How many of you got it correct? Wow, 3 people got it correct. Awesome, man. Awesome. That means there are people who are actually doing this seriously. Okay. Fearless Cheetah is again at the top with a score of 6,451. Well done, Fearless Cheetah. Okay, so actually the solution very easy, yeah? This is the solution. Okay, so when you have two roots, guys, when you have two roots, okay, the two roots, you add them together, you divide them by 2, that will give you your middle point. So the middle point is where the line of symmetry lies. The middle point is where the line of symmetry will lie. So you all know that for a vertical line, it has to be x equals to something. X equals to something. So we take 6, we add it to the other root. Here we let the other root be x. Then we divide it by 2. So 6 plus x divided by 2 equals to 10. The middle point is 10 lah. The middle point is 10. So solving the equation, we will get x equals to 14. So the other root is 14. Okay guys, final question coming up. I hope you all are ready. Again, this is a question with double the points. Please type in your answer. This is by far the hardest lah. So this one I give you 4 minutes. 4 minutes, which is the maximum allocated time in Kahoot. Okay, we have product of two positive consecutive odd numbers being 8,099. Given that the smaller number is x, form a quadratic equation in terms of x and solve it to find the larger number. Okay, let's see what I can do. Okay, so far we've got 4 answers. Well done. Let's see if these 4 answers are correct or if they are wrong. Guys, please type in your answer. Type in your answer. Okay. I don't want to go back to school. Trust me, when you are a working adult, you will love school. You will miss school. You will wish that you had spent more time in school. I prefer intern. Yalah, intern. Relax what. Interns usually they are quite, chill, right? Intern last year at MasterMaths was the time of my life. Laugh here, laugh there. Wow, Dila, thank you for entertaining me with your comments, Dila. If not, I'll be bored to tears doing this live stream. Okay, we have 5 answers so far. Joke every day. Who's the funniest person at MasterMaths? Oh, I think it's raining outside. I can hear the sound of raindrops. Just my luck, I didn't bring my umbrella. Iskandar, Fikri, Shakil. I don't know who's Shakil. I only know Iskandar and Fikri. Serangoon also rain, yalah. The weather has been like that the last few days. Every time in the evening it will start to rain. Shakil is the accounts executive. Okay, I don't know. I don't think I've met him before, or maybe I have. There are so many people at MasterMaths. Okay, guys. 60 more seconds. We've got 5 answers. Oh, okay. I guess we're stopping the question there. So the answer is 91. 91, and 2 out of the 5 people got it Correct. Okay. Why is the answer 91? Okay, let's show you all. So your smaller number will be x, which means your bigger number will be x plus 2. Why? Because we are talking about consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. So for consecutive odd numbers, like 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 21 and 23, you find that when you have one number, the other number will be plus 2 lah. Plus 2. Okay, so x times x plus 2 equals to 8099. So you expand this part here. You get x squared plus 2x. And then again, the same thing with quadratic functions. You must always make the right hand side equals to 0. So the 8099 you bring over become minus 8099. Okay? And then you got to factorize. I know you all might be complaining, alamak, got to factorize this big number. You on top put minus 91, then y bottom 91. You on top put minus 90. No, the minus 91 is rejected. Because it cannot be negative. It cannot be negative because it's a positive odd number. It's a positive odd number. So when we solve the equation, we get x equals to 89 and x equals to negative 91. So one of these two answers we have to reject. Which one do we reject? The negative 91 because it's negative. So that means to say our x is 89. So because our x is 89, the bigger number, they want the bigger number, right? The bigger number will be 89 plus 2, which is 91. Okay? So with that, we have come to the end of our Kahoot. Get ready to screenshot your page. Get ready to screenshot your page. Okay, and also take a screenshot of this also. Take a screenshot of this as well, because you will need to scan this to fill up the form if you are our winner. Okay, are you all ready? Let's reveal the winner of today's Kahoot, Sec 2 MasterMaths Quadratic Function. The winner for today's Kahoot is, it's not Brave B. Brave B is at third place. It's not Groovy Rabbit. Groovy Rabbit is at second place. It is Fearless Cheetah at first place, or in first place. Well done, Fearless Cheetah. Please take a screenshot of this, okay? Take a screenshot of this and fill up the form at the end of that QR code that we showed earlier. And yeah, basically that's all for today, guys. That's all for today. But I got a few more minutes, so I'll just stay online. I'll stay online and maybe I can, what can I do? I can go through some stuff with you all. Why is there still a Zoom here? Wait, hold on, let me close the Zoom. Zoom, Drive, Docs, Chrome settings, file, overtime. Okay. Okay, anybody would like me to go through any of these questions? Or any other questions that you know of? Okay, so let's go through this question one more time, because this question was a bit tough, right? Okay. So basically, they say that the product of two positive consecutive odd numbers is 8099. Okay. So, given that the smaller number is x, so what will be the bigger number? The bigger number will be x plus 2. So you take x times x plus 2, because it says product, right? Product means multiply together. This gives me 8099. So x squared plus 2x minus 8099 would actually give me 0. Okay, and if I were to factorize this, okay, so in factorization, guys, always remember, you take the first term and you take the third term. Okay, what do you do with them? You put them here. X square minus minus 8099. Okay, let me zoom in a bit for you all. So this x square becomes x and x. The 8099 becomes 89 and 91. Now, I want to get positive 2x. Positive 2x. For me to get positive 2x, I need to have 91x and negative 89x. Okay? So this will give me my 2x. But for me to get negative 89x, that means this has to be negative. For me to get 91x, this has to be positive. Can you all see that? So with this, I'm able to factorize the above equation. I will get x minus 89 times x plus 91 equals to 0. So solving, I will get x equals to 89 or x equals to negative 91. Now, what do I do? I know that I'm supposed to have two positive consecutive odd numbers. So this one I can reject. Reject. REJ. I'm getting too tired, I think. Rejected. So negative 91 rejected. So is my answer 89? No, my answer is not 89. Why? Because they want the larger number. Your x is your smaller number. So the larger number will be 89 plus 2 equals to 91. Okay, so with that, I'm more or less done. I still got a few minutes left, but I think it's okay lah. Maybe we can end a bit early today, so I can go visiting. I can go Raya visiting. Anybody with any questions for me? There are about 8 people left watching the live. You all got any other questions to ask? Okay lah, if you got primary school question also, I can answer lah. No problem. I got one blank piece of paper here. Anybody? Dila, don't ask me accounting questions. I won't know how to answer. When are your exams gonna be? Middle of the year. I don't know. Nowadays, I heard they are scrapping mid-year exams. So it could be a case that there won't be any more mid-year. Thank you and goodbye, Mr. and have a nice day ahead. Thank you, Karin. Don't ask accounting questions. Yeah. Hey, but accountants get paid good money. Accountants get paid good money. So if you're good in maths and you end up becoming an accountant, I think not bad lah. Actually, it was one of those things I wanted to become, but I don't know how I ended up in engineering instead. Selamat Hari Raya. Thank you, Karin. Thank you, Karin. Yeah. Selamat Hari Raya, guys. Okay lah. I think if there are no maths and accounting is different. Different meh? Different. Why am I talking like this? Different meh? Okay. It's not exactly the same, but I guess if you suck at maths, then your accounting a bit difficult lah, right? I mean, for you to be good at accounting, you have to be good at maths, right? One, deal with money. Okay. Got calculator. Yeah, I mean, when you get to secondary school, everything you can use calculator, but still people can fail, right? Okay, so guys, with that, I think I will probably call it a day. I'm starting to lose my voice. I need to go and see my relatives. And I hope you all had fun during the Kahoot, and I hope Fearless Cheetah, you claim your prize of $10 of the $10 popular voucher. Okay, and then we'll see you all next week, same time, same place, 6 PM to 7 PM, MasterMaths Sec 2 live stream. Bye-bye.